Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put your Roblox avatar in Prisma 3D. First, open Roblox Studio and load your avatar. You'll need a reliable plugin like Load Character Pro to accurately export your avatar. Once loaded, select your character and use the plugin to export it, making sure to choose the OBJ format. This process usually takes less than 1 minute, preparing your model for the next step. Now that you have your avatar exported, it's crucial to prepare the files. Make sure your OBJ file and all its texture images, typically PNG or JPG, are in the same directory. Sometimes, avatars export as several separate mesh parts. You might want to combine these in a simple 3D editor for easier handling in Prisma 3D. This step ensures a smoother import and prevents missing textures, saving you valuable time later on. With your files ready, let's bring your avatar into Prisma 3D. Open the application and tap the Import button, often represented by a folder icon. Browse to your organized folder and select the OBJ file. Prisma 3D should automatically detect and apply the textures if they are in the same directory. If not, you might need to manually assign them. This import process is usually quick, taking only a few seconds. Finally, it's time to bring your avatar to life. Utilize Prisma 3D's powerful rigging tools to pose your character dynamically. Experiment with different lighting setups to highlight details and create atmosphere. You can also add extra materials or even simple background elements to complete your scene. Spend about 5 to 10 minutes refining your pose and lighting for the best possible result, then save your amazing creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.